forget everything you thought you knew about luxury grand tours. Today, we're looking at a car that isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a rolling piece of art from the future. This, my friends, is the rumored 2026 Lexus LC 500, and it's here to blow your mind. That's right, Lexus isn't just playing the game anymore, they're changing it. For years, the LC 500 has been one of the most beautiful cars on the road, but for 2026, they're cranking everything up to 11. So buckle up because we're diving deep into the design, the insane new engine, and the price tag of this Japanese masterpiece. All right, let's just take a moment and look at this thing. This is pure aggression and elegance. Lexus has taken their signature spindle grille and evolved it into something that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The headlights are razor sharp, giving it this incredibly mean stare. The lines are so clean, so sculpted. It's like the entire car was carved from a single block of metal by a laser. This isn't just a car, it's a predator. And that story continues around the back. You've got this super wide, aggressive stance. That single light bar stretching across the rear with the bold Lexus branding is just pure class. It's minimalist, yet it screams power. You can tell every single line on this car is designed for one thing: aerodynamic perfection. It's a statement that says, "I'm fast even when I'm standing still." Step inside and you're immediately greeted by the legendary Takumi craftsmanship. This is a true driver-focused cockpit. You're wrapped in leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum. You've got a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive widescreen infotainment system that's seamlessly integrated into the dash. But it's not just about tech, it's about the feel. The low seating position, the perfectly placed shifter, the thick steering wheel, it all screams, let's go for a drive. A very, very fast drive. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the heart of this beast, the engine. For years, we've loved the sound of the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. But for 2026, Lexus is entering the supercar battle. Rumors are pointing to a brand new twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain, potentially pushing out over 700 horsepower. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in the low 3-second range, maybe even faster. This will be a certified Porsche and Aston Martin hunter. So, a futuristic design and a monster engine. What about the price? Well, art and power like this don't come cheap. The current LC 500 starts at around $100,000. For this next generation model, with all this new technology and performance, expect the price to start north of $120,000 to $130,000 USD, or over 1.9 billion Indonesian rupiah, and go way up from there for higher performance models. It's a heavy price tag, but you're not just buying a car, you're buying a ticket to the future. So there you have it, the 2026 Lexus LC 500. It's more beautiful, more powerful, and more advanced than ever before. It's Lexus proving that they can build a car with the soul of a Japanese artisan and the heart of a track monster. What do you guys think? Is this the most beautiful car of the decade? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.